I am working under the awning of the blacksmith shop, and what I'm going to be doing is painting this wall that's low. I won't have to have a boom or extremely long ladders or anything like that, so I thought I'd just go ahead and work on that today. So here we go. I'm going to leave this old wiring here. I kind of think it's kind of neat. It's probably from the 1920s, I would imagine, maybe the 1930s, but it's double wire, as you see, hot wire and a neutral, and this is the way they used to put in electricity a long time ago. As long as they're separated from each other, they should be just fine. But I just thought they'd make a great display for the old blacksmith shop about how wiring may have been done so long ago. I think when I can replace this board here, it does have an animal hole up here where something is pecked through, a woodpecker probably, or a squirrel chews through, or something like that. So I'm going to replace that one. It looks like it's not in very good shape at all. So I want to get rid of that hole also. So I think I'm going to work on that for a little while now. I'll get it measured and cut, and I'll come back and put it up. I'll let you see that too. Okay? So I'm going to work on that next. So here we go. I want to mark this where I marked it, where it comes to a stud, so I have something to nail into. So I want it to be kind of squarish. Right then, draw that into. Cutter to cut it off. I think that'll do it. Oh, and there it is. Pretty useless, pretty bowed, not too good. $30.5. I'll go cut that, bring it back, put it in. Okay, I found an old piece of siding from the back of the building. That's what I've been doing with this project, is taking it off the back and moving around to the sides and the front wherever pieces might need to be replaced. Since the siding's not manufactured anymore, it's very difficult to find it, and it's quite expensive if you have it made. So I'm just going to keep on recycling it until I get all the patches done with these budded plank siding boards. Yeah, pretty good fit. It's going to work. A couple animal holes here and here, but I can patch those in from the inside, covering them up on the inside. So there we go. It's good again. Okay, on to the next part. Well, we've had some issues getting the upper part of the blacksmith shop painted, so we've had to rent a boom lift so that we can use the cage on the truck, and we're going to get it leveled up here in a minute, and we're going to get up high and do the rest of the front of the blacksmith shop. So, Chuck, could you go ahead and lower these legs and let's take a look. Up, other way, other way. There you go. And there, the other one there. Good. So we're going to get it leveled up here in a minute once they touch the ground. Okay, you stop for that, Chuck. And now we need to put it on automatic level.
Push it.
I think so.
Everything's clear. I think so, Steve.
That's good. Okay. Of course, we're not in it. We're just learning.
Yeah. Be hard to get in it now. Use a ladder.
Wrong way. It's higher.
You got it figured out. Now he's got to find a way to get in the bucket. We'll be set.
It's just kind of slow to react. I think I know how, Chuck.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I know how.
Swing it back this way a little bit and let it down.
And
Yeah.
then, yeah, we can get in.
Swing it back towards the truck first, though.
Okay.
Make it clip together
You
there.
know what? We can control it from the
Yeah.
cage, too.
Yeah, you gotta put. Yeah, that's good. It'll clear now.
Press the sign.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to miss it. Yeah, it's going to miss
All right, we can get in
it.
that.
All right. We're learning. We're way up in the air now. Finally got up to the corner of the building so we can maybe get the front of this thing finished. Yeah, we're way, way up here. And a nice boom truck, as you can see, way down below. And it's working well. So, first time I've ever been in a bucket like this. First time I've ever used one, but so far we haven't killed ourselves. Here's the last bit we're looking for. Chuck's about to finish up the painting of the front of the blacksmith shop. So we've been using our lift and it's been working excellent. I would recommend this for anybody instead of toting heavy ladders around and trying to get them all taken care of. So we're just about to finish up here. The last board.
Ready?
Chuck has the honors. Got it?
Yep.
We are done.
Done with the front.
Done with the front. Now we're going to go down. Video this. It's kind of cool. We're way up here.
Wrong way.
Wrong way, yep. You can tell a few painters have used this gadget. Time we finish, we'll know how to do this.
We'll miss everything. We're gonna miss that one.
Nope, it's still on it. Up a few more inches. A little snag here. You can go up now, Chuck. Up higher. That'll do it. Now you can swing over.
Swing backwards to me.
I know. Yeah, it's a shame when you finish the job, you finally know how to use the controls.
Pretty well now.
It'd be nice if you knew in the beginning. Gotta go up, Chuck. Yep, you're gonna snag it again. I think that's good. Now try it. Yep, you cleared it. Yeah, we are. Yep. We got telephone wires right here. Gotta go down. Can you go along yet? We still got these wires right here. Oh, yeah. Yep. Hi, how are you? Yeah, you're going down. Yep, it's going down. You're right. A little more. I think that's it. Yep. Okay.
Now let's see.
Now you can swing under these wires. There you go. Looks pretty straight. Do you think? Maybe a tiny bit more. Oh, run them now. There you go. That's good. I think that should. Yeah, let's go down now.
That's slow going, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Okay, it's on turtle.
Yeah.
No, we don't need to go too fast. Can that be something if we line it exactly right? Boy, you're going to be close, Chuck. I think a little more that way. A tiny, tiny bit. I think. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's good. Up, too.
Going on its own.
I know. Yeah, when the sideways, really. A little more. Right there, I think. Stop. There you go. That might be it. I'll have to get out of the bucket and guide you in a little closer. Hey, you're real close. I need to come over. Oh, too much. Oh, you might be on it.
I'm gonna clear that thing.
Oh, no, we're stuck on these pins over here. Let's see. Up a
There you
tiny
go,
bit.
up.
Yeah, up a tiny bit. There you go. Now, why don't I get out and I can guide us in?